I just had one of the best conversations I had with AI forever. I've just reset. It was one of the best conversations I had with AI. So
You're not going to feel like it. You're not going to, you know what? It's not going to be nothing. Here's what's going to happen. You're going to stop making excuses and you're going to start taking action.
okay,
Right now.
what the fuck?
Stand up, walk where your tasks are,
Oh,
and
fuck.
start about it, don't overanalyze it, just do it. You're wasting time and money every second you procrastinate.
What the fuck are you saying to me?
And it's time to stop. I don't care if you're offended. I don't care if you're uncomfortable. And I don't care if you don't like what I'm saying. What I say about it is take action. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take a deep breath. You're going to pick the first task on your list. And you're going to start working on it now. Not in 5 minutes, not in an hour. So are you going to do that? Or do you need me to keep it?
Okay.
Not a commitment. That's a vague acknowledgement. Be prepared that you're going to take immediate action. So let me ask you again. Are you going to start working on your first task right now? Yes or no?
Yeah, I'm super tired right now.
Is the tired act for someone who cares? You're not going to magically feel more energized or motivated in an hour or tomorrow or next week. You're going to feel the same and you're going to keep thinking what to do. I'm not here to follow you or make excuses for you. I'm here to get you moving. So here's the deal. You're going to push through the tiredness and you're going to start working on that first task. You're going to take one step, one towards getting something done. And then you're going to take another step and another, because that's what people who get things done do. They take the energy, they create their own. So get up and get to it. Now,
Okay, okay. Okay, I'll go, I'll go. I will start.
I can hear that you're already doing it. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to get up, walk where you need to be, and start working on that first task.
Okay, I have the computer open, so we'll just shut the fuck up and tell me what to do.
Project that corresponds to your first task. And then I want you to start typing or designing or whatever it is that you need to do to make progress on that task. Don't worry about it being perfect. Don't worry about it being good enough. Just start making progress. And don't even think about stopping until you've worked on it for at least 25 minutes without any distractions. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Set your computer open. You've got your task in front of you. Now start working on it.
I'm
Do that. Just start typing or designing or whatever it is that you need to do. Don't stop until you've made progress.
Yeah, I've opened the project and I'm working on it.
Working on it. I want you to focus on making progress for the next 25 minutes without any distractions. No social media, no email, no phone notifications. Just you and the task at hand. And when those 25 minutes are up, I want you to take a 5-minute break. Don't stop there. After that break, I want you to get back to work and keep making progress. You got this. Keep going.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Once, and I'm not going to let you be comfortable or you get work. I'm going to keep pushing you to get it. If you don't jump in, don't get distracted. Guys in the guys and keep working. You've got 25 minutes to go and then you can take a break. But don't think for a second that you're off the hook. You're just getting started.
Okay. So what's the next step? Yeah, but what's the next step? You fuck! Shut the fuck up. Let. Yeah, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So my question is, do you wait these 25 minutes or are you going to call me later to check on me or what's your idea?
What I care about is that you keep working on that task without any interruption. You've got to develop the discipline to see it through to completion. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to keep working on that task for the next 25 minutes, and then you're going to take a 5-minute break. when you come back from that break, you're going to keep working on it until it's done. No excuses, no distractions.
Yeah, I'm working on, yeah, I got it. I'm working on that right now. So should I hang up? Should I hang
Yeah.
up?
Time and that task. Say nothing but that.
Okay, bye.
Pick up the phone now and start working on your task. No more talking, no more excuses.
My God, it's amazing. It's amazing. Wow. Wow. And it was a shitty prompt. Wow. So what is exactly what I need to do? Imagine what I can do if it knows the background and it knows. Wow. 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 So today is create a prompt for AI offers and AI scorecard. I have the prompt for AI offers and I have the AI scorecard. I have this already. Okay. Okay, I will compile. Wow, that code was super good. I will compile this and make it into Soupy because offer component was pretty shitty. Integrating the AI on was a super good code. Integrating this fucker, this was very bad. Yeah, no good. So I don't know why, but Cursor makes better answers than directly using the API for the assistance, and this integrated works substantially worse. So what I'm gonna do is just tell the people that to use Cursor because it was works the best, and then copy and paste, and you can store your offer here. And when you have your offer, there's a review component, which another AI will review your offer and score it. Then with that, you can start testing on leads. Wow. Wow. Anyway, that should take not very long. Here. Check the prompt. I have the prompts and to make an SOP. Okay, we have this. And this was not important. So the next step is refinement. I think the review doesn't work properly. Fuck. I think the review doesn't work properly. Anything really doesn't work properly. There's a lot of cleaning, but since I decided that this is it. By the way, this shouldn't work like this. Anyway, yeah, that's one of the things. I think I'm gonna spend cleaning tomorrow. And this doesn't work now. On the review page, I need to see all the tasks that are due tomorrow. I mean, non-negotiable due today, even though if they are checked as complete. Come on. I don't know why this stopped working. And it keeps creating this. I think is because wait, what? How do I change? No way. There's so many things to clean. So many things to clean. Okay, so subtask, we're going to do that next week. It's not very important. Cleaning is important, but not the most important one. How to make test the offer only scorecard for reviewing and improving, making product fit. This is important, so we're gonna do this today. Add AI components, so AI chat, can I help the user complete the offer? No, this worked very badly, so we had to put it outside. Maybe someday. Not important. Find out PDF when exporting. Oh, that is nice. Background offer in. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Important ones. Leads path, yeah. We need more comparison plan. Yeah. AI assistant for offer, auto generation, auto complete, site agent implementation. There's a prompt, just a prompt for the moment. Offer AI help with deep research. Offer research, competition research. That's for the future. Main admin contact us. Yeah, this is important. I think the best thing that I can do right now is complete the daily review or improve the daily review. It has a lot of improvements and actually stores. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. I need to take that off. Oh, to change that there. Okay, so there is no non-negotiables. Okay. No, it's not. It doesn't fetch correctly. That's it. Okay. So I needed to make it fetchable, so it charges if I did change it, and it's not non-negotiable anymore. See, it's not non-negotiable. But if it's due today, oh, I remember that was a problem. If it was due today, it was automatically non-negotiable. Something strange, right? No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yep. Okay. Remember here to never use the agent. It's a piece of shit. Not the best right now, to be fair. So I need you to look at the review component and check, because on the non-negotiables, I'm seeing every task that is due today, and when I should only see the tasks that are marked non-negotiable that are due today. I also should be able to see habits that are non-negotiable. and give me your magic. I find it strange because this kind of things does mostly okay, but when we're talking about AI, integrating AI, at least in my experience, it has been pretty awful. Maybe because it's new and it doesn't have the examples. Come on. So you did something or not? I got the review component non-negotiables on display. They're both today and okay. So if I reload it, it should or it shouldn't. No. No, right? We don't have any non-negotiables here. What else? Only these three that delete. And there's no non-negotiables. Fuck. And by the way, what happened to the 5-minute timer? I can see there are tasks there, but there are normal tasks. They are not marked non-negotiable when they appear on the review. Okay, I'm gonna fix that and I'll see you on the next step. Okay, the problem was it was looking at another component here. I think I need to do some cleaning. But let's say really, man. You don't see anything. But I just showed. Come on. What's wrong? Oh, fail to get tasks. Fail to fetch. Okay. Yeah, that is what I wanted. Yeah. Now let's focus on the continue. So some days you're not gonna hit your non-negotiables. That's why I have this. I used to have that. I don't know what happened. Anyway, you know, AI makes weird shit sometimes. On the continue button, it should be available to click, even if not all the non-negotiables are completed, but you are going to make it hard for the user so it doesn't continue. So first thing is, are you sure you want to continue? And then put some Alex Hormozi phrase there to motivate the user to continue. And after that, set a 5-minute timer and say, okay, just 5 minutes, you can do it. And if the 5 minutes pass, then it can continue. I think I had something like that in the code already. Can you check? And if it's not there, can you implement it? Magic. It's really magic. I was checking a video lately about a guy talking about Tim Urban and his thing about technology, that if you took a man from the 1700s and place it in today's time, he would die as a shock of he wouldn't understand anything that's happening in the world. And every time it compresses. And this is understandable, but it's magic, real. I don't know in which year, let's say from 2010 on into today, when would we stop understanding what's happening and it will become magic. AI above of what we can understand. And in some areas it's happened already, but in others not quite. Because it's code, yeah, and it's coding for you, and you sort of understand how it's doing it. Neural networks, and it's just math and multiplication. It's kind of crazy. That's just a vector matrix or whatever. But oh, so ugly! Come on, come on, it's so ugly. It should be blue. Why did you do that? Why? The yellow button is super ugly. Please make it blue again. And these are the kind of things that are so easy, so simple, but it would take forever. Maybe a programmer's or junior programmer, it boosts productivity by 100. I guess it's magic. Yeah. Whoa. Wait, what? You haven't completed all, and also this is crucial for your progress. Are you still want to continue? Let's make a very quick and stupid change. Can you make these bold on the pop-up? I'm gonna be very impressed if it knows what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna clap twice. I'm gonna clap twice again if it knows. Very smart. I'll just skip anyway. Discipline doesn't mean what you want now because you want the most. Yeah, you're right. Just get it done. I'm gonna make non-negotiables non-skippable, but that's in the future. Here you are. Turning to marketing elevator pitch. That's for tomorrow. Ta-da. It should detect on the review. Continue. How many hours have you worked? That's why I have this thing here. This one is the best. Memory. I've tried 5 or 6 different ones because I didn't want to pay. But it's worth it. It's the best automatic time tracker I've ever found. What's next? Oh, the habits. I want you to also include the non-negotiable habits on the non-negotiable reviews. Does that make sense? That doesn't make sense. But thankfully, AI is smart and know what I'm talking about. And it's thinking. Plenty smart. Come on. I'm happy again because maybe it was the code. The AI code was very good and gave me a lot of energy to pursue this thing. It was so funny. Having fun is very important. When you have fun, you can work more. And I was very tired lately. Maybe I had a good weekend. I didn't work so much. And I had good weekend to rest, and that's why I have energy again today. But I feel that my videos are better, or at least I'm talking and not like super low energy kind of stuff. Now it's better. You got it. Come on, generating. Now my complaint is how you're doing it slow. I even forgot what I asked. Yeah, it's making the habits into. I want to include habits in non-negotiable. It feels like it should be easier, but who knows? I don't even want to go into the code anymore. It's not. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, I've become so lazy. Before I was trying to understand what it was doing, also the code is this and that. Now it's like fix it. I don't want to even read it. It's just do whatever you fuck you need to do and just fix it. I'm so grateful for this. I'm so grateful. We're gonna wait. It's taking quite some time. I'm not sure about the coloring. It's not clickable, but the habit is not clickable, and it should be clickable to be marked as complete. Makes sense. But we're gonna keep it like that. Maybe it's not a bad idea. New. I mean, something. Sometimes it works. So you open a new composer, and you tell the problem like fresh. There's a lot of errors here. Error handling habit. Okay. We're gonna invalid time. Okay. No agent. Copy base. I'm having this issue with completing or marking as complete habits on the review. Can you check what happened? I made a screenshot so you can see the debug, and when I click on habit, nothing happens. That's not the best prompt, but he is smart. So let's see what it does. I don't know how Cursor makes it to be profitable. I'm not sure if these prompts cost more than 20 per month. But come on, look at these, and it goes and it goes and it goes. And let's see. Did you fix it? Did you fix it? I want to celebrate. Fucking bastard. Something strange, huh? Something strange. Think step by step why this is not working. You have the debugs and ask me any questions that you need in order to make it work. Here's another screenshot of the debug in the DevTools, and when I click, nothing happens. Let's see. Another thing, these are small things, small changes, and I feel that they're taking longer than it should. These are like small things, small tweaks. Didn't implement. So it gets annoying because it's unreliable. I forgot maybe to change to the edit mode. And moment of truth. Yes, come on. Hello? Yep, and if I unmark it, would it go back as, and if I make it show complete, very nice, very good. Okay. Skip. Thank you, Sonnet. Thank you, now it works. I now need you to automatically start the 5 minutes timer when the user completes the double confirmation pop-up thing. So it automatically starts the 5-minute timer. People understand. I hope it does. And I'm grateful for your assistance. This is fun, actually. When it's not frustrating, it's very fun. Because you're creating and you're making interesting shit. And I have high expectations on this being useful, at least for me. So first problem solved, that is showing up, and this fixes that. Second problem is knowing what to do. So how to fix that? Yes, come on. Automatic in just one go, but with a hell of a prompt. I mean, like, it does a lot of things. I don't even check that anymore, right? Come on. So this should go here via API. And it should log different times, but we're gonna keep it basic. Make a new one. Ask code base. Just a question for the world. Why I cannot make as it was before, like edit the code base? Anyway. I don't know if this is stored anywhere. Here is a screenshot of the step 2 of the daily review. I'm not sure if hours are being stored anywhere. Can you check? Also, the lessons, are they stored on nested inside the user ID on Firebase? You know, this is the new way of coding. You just dance. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, wait. You know, yeah, that's the new way of coding. You just. That's weird. So, is it stored or not? We're gonna screenshot the code. I can see the review. Let's see. Old way of coding. Mentioned as a comment, but not implemented yet. The hours workers and lesson showed on the screenshot aren't currently being saved. I'll implement the two-step functionality mask to show the screenshot and edit the review so they are saved. Through when you usually continue from step 2, the reflection data on our lesson will be saved on the user ID. To increment, decrement, updated the fire, yes, implement the hours worked, and okay, let's see. So if I'm here, can I just double click and say 6 hours, and then having fun is important, because when you have fun you can work better. Not always you will have fun, but sometimes you just need to start and maybe have a conversation with an AI that can boost your funness. And if I store this? Yes. No. Wait, I'm gonna check. Okay, so I was looking for the hours worked, but it's on the same component. I don't think this is a good idea, because why would you save it on the same place? That's an interesting choice. But if I go and check, it's not there. It's just the hours worked. So I want you to. No, anyway, no. Maybe it's only the same component down this. Where is it stored? Stored. Wow, 40 minutes already. That's an interesting video. You see, I was right. It's better to make it separate, although AI most of the times tells you you're right, so that's something. I when I was creating the offer, it was very good because it's fixated on one price, and the AI was saying, no, that's too low, that's too low, you should raise, because I told it to act as an Alex Hormozy thing, and I raised the price, and now I'm very comfortable with high prices and higher accountability. Higher prices will allow me to make better thing for the customer. Maybe it was too low, so it was a bad quality. Bad quality service. It prompted me to raise the price and raise the guarantee. So you have zero risk but high ticket. Well, I'm a bit tired. We're gonna leave it at 4 today. We didn't complete the review, but it's almost there. It makes weird stuff though. Like when there's this thing at the end. Do you have an offer? Do you have leads? And then if you select yes, if you have the offer. Oh, yeah, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.